Hello everyone. Today we are going to do the very first unboxing video of our channel. The device we have is Oppo Reno 3 Midnight Black version. It has 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. And yeah, PTA approved here in Pakistan. Let's slide it out and we get another box with Oppo branding on top. So let's open it up too. Yet another box inside, and that might include the SIM tool. Yeah, it includes the SIM tool. And all the paperwork, the warranty card and stuff. And a plastic case. A typical TPU case that comes with Oppo devices but with no Oppo branding. Then the device itself, but we'll put it aside for now. Further in the box, we get a Type-C cable. It sports Oppo's VOOC charge. And here is the power brick. It also has that green theme going on. It's a 30-watt charger, if my camera could show you, which means it can charge its device from 0 to 50 in 20 minutes. Then we got the headphones, typical headphones that usually come with the Oppo high-end devices. So now the phone itself. A 44 MP dual punch hole camera, 64 MP camera on the back and Super AMOLED display. Let's unwrap it. And remove this too. It's glowing and shining from black to silverish grey. It's beautiful. On the front, we've got the dual punch hole camera setup. Let's boot it up real quick. So there are the two cameras, identical to S10 Plus, but this is first 44 MP selfie camera with a 2 MP depth sensor. And to be honest, it looks better than the notch display. It has a super crisp AMOLED display, as you can see, with the nice viewing angles. On the right side, we have power button along with the green lining. Top of the phone just has a noise cancellation mic. And on the other side, we have SIM slot and volume keys. At the bottom, we have headphone jack, USB Type-C, and the speaker grills that support Dolby Stereo. The speaker grill on the top is quite thin, as you can see, and so are the bottom bezels. On the back, we have quad camera setup, a 64 MP main camera with a 13 MP telephoto camera with 2x zoom, 8 MP ultra wide, and the 2 MP depth sensor. And last, we have Oppo branding at the bottom. Let's check the SIM situation real quick. Even their SIM tool is identical to their logo. So we get a dual SIM and micro SD card support, which is great. The device comes with ColorOS 7, which means you get Android 10 out of the box. ColorOS 7 has many features like the dark mode and all. I will make a separate video on that. For now, let's enroll the fingerprint and face real quick. So here we are. Fingerprint really is quicker than most. And now the face unlock. It also seems quite efficient. Let's give it another go. So, yup. It works really fast. It packs a MediaTek Helio P90 processor, which is good for gaming. And with a 4025 mAh battery, in this price tag, this is a great device. So that's all from today. If you want more unboxing videos, please subscribe.